So we move now to the last interfaculty master programs which we offer here at TU Wien and in which technical chemistry is involved. And it's actually the oldest interfaculty master program. It's the master program in chemical engineering. It's only about 2 faculties which are involved in this program. It's technical chemistry and it's mechanical engineering. And the head of the studying commission for chemical engineering, Franz Rauscher, will now present this master curriculum. Please, Franz.
I hope the micro works well. Is it okay? So my name is Franz Rauscher. I come from the mechanical engineering department, and I would like to present you today the master's program, Chemical and Process Engineering for Sustainable Production. This master's program is given in German language. There are some electives, but only optional courses, which are in English. The German title is Verfahrenstechnik und nachhaltige Produktion. The content of my presentation is, I would first to give you a little bit introduction into the characteristics of chemical and process engineering. Afterwards, I will speak a little bit about the structure of the program, and afterwards about the mandatory modules and the focus areas and the specializations. And because I think most of you study chemistry, so I will speak a little bit about the transfer from subject-related fields. So chemical and process engineering, I think you know it a little bit from your study. It is about the technical realization of processes in chemical and pharmaceutical industry. Also food production and energy production are important fields. There is some focus on scale-up of these processes and on the optimization of the processes. If we come near to the industrial plant, so the equipment becomes more important, and therefore here mechanical engineering plays an important role. A few years ago, we added to the title for sustainable production, and in this context, the focus on sustainability, circular economy, and environmental engineering was increased. In this program, there is the focus on production, including the entire life cycle of products, including their recycling. There is also some energy production and storage, but there is less focus in comparison to environmental engineering programs on the ecological system as a whole. Now I come to the structure of this program. The standard duration of the program is 4 semesters, which corresponds to 120 ECTS. We start from a bachelor's degree in chemical and process engineering. If you come from a subject-related degree, so there are some adaptations possible to enter the program. I will speak about that later. The academic degree of the program is diploma engineer. We have a relatively small amount of mandatory courses with 21 ECTS, which is for the basics. There are 2 focus areas where each student has to choose one of them. with 19 ECTS, and there is a large amount of restricted electives. These restricted electives have to be chosen from specified modules in a specified schemata to form specializations. The diploma thesis gives another opportunity for specializations. In addition, there are some free electives for acquiring knowledge according to the individual interests. There are 3 mandatory modules. One is technology assessment and sustainable process development. The other one is engineering specialization. And the third one is cost accounting and operating technology. In this case, operating technology is mainly safety engineering. Now I come to the restricted electives. This is the focus area and the specializations. There are 2 focus areas where the student has to choose one of them. One is plant and equipment engineering. It is nearer to mechanical engineering, and one is chemical engineering. This one is nearer to chemistry. Within the restricted electives, there are 11 modules, and each student has to choose 2 of them for the specialization. And specialization means in this context that at least certain ECTS has to be chosen. The rest of the ECTS within these restricted electives have to be chosen from all of the modules. From the next academic year, we have a new option in the case if students want to go abroad for 1 semester or a little bit longer, but within this program. And in this case, one of these specializations can be replaced by an individual one. An individual one, of course, in context with this mobility. The focus area, plant and equipment engineering, is nearer to mechanical engineering. There are the module equipment engineering and thermal energy systems and material science. For chemistry students, it would be difficult to come to this module because there are a lot of mechanical engineering basics necessary to go to this module. Therefore, generally no admission is given to bachelor students of technical chemistry to enter this focus area. The other focus area is chemical engineering. It has 1 module on chemical and process engineering. These are advanced topics, and a second module with chemical technology and analytics. In this case, in the technical chemistry bachelor studies, for example, here in Vienna, the subjects of these modules are included, and therefore for entering with a bachelor's degree in technical chemistry, this module is replaced by electives. This master's program is based on the bachelor's program Chemical and Process Engineering. Therefore, for entry these programs, the knowledge of the subjects within these bachelor programs is necessary. If students enter from a subject-related program, some additional subjects may be prescribed, and in the case of chemistry, studies. These are mainly subjects from thermodynamics and fluid mechanics. Also, one course in process measurement and control is prescribed. The courses on fundamentals on mechanical engineering are usually not prescribed for the chemistry students, but therefore it is not possible for them to choose the focus area plant and equipment engineering. As a summary, if one enters from a subject-related bachelor degree, the following adaptations are possible. There may be additional compulsory subject be prescribed. In return, the extent of elective subjects is reduced. On the other hand side, in some bachelor's programs, there are subjects which are equivalent to compulsory subjects of this master's program. In this case, these subjects are replaced by electives. For these adaptations, our Dean of Academic Affairs, Mrs. Bettina Micheli-Schneider, is responsible. For example, here, for starting with the bachelor's program in technical chemistry, I think here about this program of TU Wien. In this case, usually 21 ECTS additional compulsory subjects are prescribed. On the other hand, 6 ECTS are credited, and this makes in sum 15 ECTS of additional compulsory subjects and corresponding fewer electives. With this, I'm at the end of my presentations. Are there any questions?